Fancy seeing you here. Well, I've got another lady to unbox. I don't know which one because I can't find the correct information on the stickers. All I know is it has been transported upside down thanks to FedEx. Good job, FedEx. It's really difficult to follow arrows. But okay, let's go. I'm just gonna grab my knife and gently cut into the tape. And then from there, we will see what we have. Let's see what's happening over here. Is she completely packed? Yes. Oh, no way. Is this already from Stella-Dolls? Holy crap, that's super fast. Hey, Jason, if you're watching this, this has probably been one of the fastest shipping thingamajiggies that has been dropped into my channel as of ever, I think. So thanks for that. So the reason why I know it's a Stella-Dolls is because I have seen how they've packed everything. And there are, spoiler alert, boots in here that you might know from a specific DC character. And here we go for the rest. As you can see, we have a neck protector, or closing lid if you want to call it that. As it seems, the neck is straight, so that's really nice. Then we have some air pockets over here, which is of course very nice too, because you never know how it's going to go with shipping. And then this is of course the shoe that I took off, so we're going to put that on the floor as well real quick. And then everything else is untouched, and as you can see, everything has been protected. Yes, you do see a toe there, but that's probably because it has been moved. And then we have some extra clothing here and some other stuff. All right, so let's go over the goodies real quick. So again, this has been sent by Shark. Also shout out to Shark and Jason from Stella-Dolls. So I urge everybody to go to Stella-Dolls. The cool thing is this is going to be a one-off. So this is a doll that they have in their lineup, but they really wanted to spice it up for my channel because we have such good communication together, which is also a treat because, you know, I'm stuck at home and I love talking to people whenever I get the chance. So that's really freaking cool. Then we will have this, which is a little bit open, but that's probably because of transportation. So we have a red bra, we have some gloves. Some of you might already know what this is going to be like or who this is going to be. You'll just have to wait for the end product. So this is really cool. They have their own little stamped bag which says Stella-Dolls lingerie. Here is another piece. It says Stella-Dolls outfit. That's correct. So this is what's also a part of that whole ensemble. And then we have a Stella-Dolls toolkit. So they are actually branding all of the bags so that we know what is actually inside, which I think is pretty cool. So we need to undo the knot. All right, so here we go. Stella-Dolls toolkit. Let's open it up, see what's inside. We have our crushed USB heating rod. Thanks FedEx for crushing. We have a powder set for if you want to put on the cornstarch or the powder. I see that this is a very luxurious water cleaning thing for inside the love hole. Then we have a Stella-Dolls care guide with a Stella Studio official Instagram QR code on the back. So if you want to check that out, go ahead. We have a comb. And we have a... oh, this is an eye adjuster. So it's like a very small thing with a suction cup at the end. We have some tape here, so I'm gently going to cut into the tape. I have clean hands, so yeah, we're just going to take a look at the head. And from there, this is going to be very cool because I am excited. This is custom makeup. So for now, I'm going to leave the hair in because it's cool if we go over to another shot. You can already see the hair colors a little bit. She is going to be our lovely Stella-Dolls Harley Quinn edition. Now she has ROS. There is, see, oh, I hope you can hear that. So maybe she had a very weird face just now. She looks a lot better now because there was apparently air in there, and the ROS seems to work very well. You can see the teeth, you can see the tongue. So very nice design, very cool. There's already a quick connect installed. And then of course her ears look very nice, and it's implanted hair, and she has beautiful eyes too. So I'm really chuffed to see such a design made by our good friends at Stella-Dolls. Just a real quick overview when she's out of the box. I think that's fair. They have very good packaging, Stella-Dolls. As you can see, double layers of foam, extra feet protection and leg holders so that they stay in place like that. So besides the fact that she has been completely protected by all the stuff that you can see on her arms and on her feet, there was also a plastic bag around her, and of course a blanket that you can see on the right side of the screen. Alright, so we're gonna grab the scissors again and gently start cutting. So this is the Stella-Dolls body that I have received regarding the Harley Quinn makeup and style, which is pretty freaking cool if you ask me. So let's just go over the details real quick. You can see the red and blue nail polish. You can see that the skeleton is really precise, which is nice. And the veins and everything look really good. And then we can turn her hand around. And again, you will see that there's some straining here on the silicone, because this is a company that does not use the bottom side turning with the whole arm. Like I've said multiple times before in the video, not everybody, or in previous videos, not everybody does it like that. It's not really necessary because you won't be twisting her arm or her wrist that many times for posing in a specific position, I suppose. No bones in the toes yet. They will do that in the future, but the feet look good too. Bottom side seems to look good as well. Very realistic. Top side too, as you can see. And everything else seems to be just really nice. You can check out this hand real quick. Again, very nice with the skeleton. Very nice how you can pose all of that independent from each other. And then the knuckles feel very tactile, very fluid to move, which is a great design if you ask me. And she just looks really good. I keep standing in the shade or in the light. And then regarding her body, we can go over to her neck. You can see the neck is straight. Nothing happened with the neck. It's just a little bit dirty, probably from when they tested out the head. And you know, there's also a little bit of grease that you will get from the quick connectors and all that stuff. So I can probably just clean that up, put some socks and shoes on, and then go over the rest of the details. All right, let's go over to pumping her up. I've actually bought a couple of new shoes, as you can see in the frame. They're very easy to put on, so I was done quickly. I can tell you right now, this chest is also very soft. Man, I need to grease that whole thing. But as you can see, it wobbles very well. So Stella-Dolls really know how to make a gel chest as well, which I love because I'm a sucker for jiggle physics. Shout out to the doll detective if you're watching. All right, here are some details. As you can see, very nicely done. You will see some stuff here and there from transportation and or the lady being in a bag. So maybe there's some stuff on there that I still need to scratch off with my fingernails or just gently pick up with my fingers. But as you can see, the skin detail is really nice. You will see a couple of stripes like here. That's probably from the plastic still when she was being moved. And like I said, some crud here and there. But just look at how she is glistening in the light. Very nice design. Looks really good. This shot as well. We can turn her around, of course. And here she is from the other side. Very nicely done. She looks really good. Details are amazing. Thankfully not heavily overloaded with the veins, even though you can see them there and you can see a couple on the inside of her leg. She just looks really cool. So I'm going to stand her up and let's plop on the head. All right, so here we go. Plopping on the head in 3, 2, 1. I do think I should dress her up in her outfit that has been shipped with her in the box for a next video. So if you want to see her completely dressed up as Harley Quinn, but as a Stella doll, you need to come back, glue your eyeballs to the screen or whatever. And don't forget to pound that like button for her. Let's go over the backside real quick. So as you can see, the calves look really nice. She does seem to have long legs, but that's going to help when she's going to be in her Harley Quinn outfit. So that's cool too. She has a nice caboose. And as you can see, it's not super soft, her caboose. Not a lot of companies do gel butts because they are a little bit scared that it might tear regarding shipping. We can go over her neck because her hair has been pulled up, of course, thanks to the ponytail, so it's easy to see. Now we can always choose to let her hair down. We could do maybe a braid someday. My wife would do that. You can see there is a small little dent here from shipping because you can see the stripe of the plastic in there. There's a small little dent here that we can probably massage out. But again, it's all because of the shipping. Other than that, she looks really freaking good. It's a very nice design. I really like the gel chest and of course the head sculpt, the fingernails, all the colors that have been added to make her look like a specific Harley Quinn. So yes, you need to stick around to see her in her full attire. That will be an upcoming video in the near future. This is actually a model that's called Stella Glitch. She's 163 centimeters. You can check her out on stelladolls.com. And because this has been a very exclusive collaboration between me and Jason and Shark, you get a very hefty discount, which is Rebel25. That's a discount code if you head on over to stelladolls.com and you want to order yourself a very lovely lady. They have multiple sizes, sculpts, and very beautiful heads as well. And of course, like I said, the bodies and everything. So yeah, head on over to stelladolls.com, use my discount code Rebel25, which is REBEL25 for a 25% discount. I think that's one of the biggest discounts that I've ever had on my channel regarding a doll collaboration. So head on up to stelladolls.com. See you guys in the next video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great rest of your week. I will go into surgery, into the hospital, and hopefully I will be alive when I come back. Thank you very much for all the support. Peace. Go check out Stella-Dolls.